Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with double chevron lace pattern or an edge pattern. It can be used as edges and laces too. It's a beautiful pattern made with treble crochet bobbles and double crochets and single crochets. This particular small sample piece I worked with my hobby store Aran Premium Acrylic 5-ply anti-pill yarn and a 5 mm and a 4 mm clover crochet hook. 5 mm I used for base chain and 4 mm clover crochet hook I used for my main work. So let's go into the video without any delay. Chain multiples of 16 plus 1 plus 2. So chain multiples of 16 plus 3 for the base chains. So I shall make the multiples of 16 plus 3 and get back. Place a double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and fourth chain from the hook. One DC in the next chain. Next 6 chains. 1 each. Now three DC in the next chain. All in the same chain. Now one double each in each of the next 6 chains. Five and 6. Now we are going to work 2 double crochets together over this 3 chains. So insert your hook into the first chain. Now incomplete double, yarn over, skip the next and insert your hook in the following chain. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 of them. So we have made 2 doubles together here. And now again place one double in each of the next 6. Three, 6 done. Now 3 doubles in the next chain. Now 6 doubles, 1 each in each of the next 6 DCs, next chains. 3 6 done. Now we are left with 2 chains. We'll make 2 doubles together in these 2 chains. Chain 1 and turn. Place 1 single crochet each of the stitches. So make the single crochets. I shall complete the single crochet row and get back to you. At the end of row 2, which is an SC row, turn your work, chain 4, make a treble in the very same stitch, very first stitch here, chain 2 and make a 3 treble bobble. So yarn over twice, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, again yarn over twice, insert the hook, pick up the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice, yarn over and pull through all of them. So we made the 3 treble bobble. Now chain 4, single crochet on top of the middle that is the SC which lies on top of the middle DC of 3 DC group here. Okay, single crochet into that, chain 4, now we are going to work in the single crochet on top of the 2 DCs together here. So 3 treble bobble, chain 2, so another set of 3 treble bobble, all in the same stitch, chain 2, just a minute, yeah, one more set of 3 treble bobble, all in the same stitch. So this is how it looks. Chain 4, single crochet on top of the SC which lies in the middle DC. Always skip 7 DCs, 7 SCs and make your single crochet there. Now chain 4 again. In the very last SC, make your 3 treble bobble, chain 2 and a 2 treble bobble. For row 4, turn your work, chain 3, make a double on the same half bobble, 2 doubles in the chain 2 space, one double on the next bobble. Now 3 doubles in the chain 4 space. Now we are going to work 2 doubles together, the first incomplete double in this very same chain 4 space, and the next incomplete in the next chain 4 space. And place 3 doubles in the same chain 4 space. One double on the bobble. Two doubles in chain 2 space. Now 3 doubles in the middle bobble. Two doubles in the chain 2 space. One double on the next bobble. 3 doubles in the chain 4 space. Now it's time to work 2 doubles together here. So the first incomplete in the very same chain 4, the second incomplete DC in the next chain 4 space, that will be the beginning stitch over there. Place 3 doubles. One double on the bobble. 2 doubles, the chain 2 space, and 2 doubles on the last bobble. So at the end of row 4, this is how it appears to be. Turn your work, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the same very first stitch, and 1 single crochet each in each of the stitches all through. This is the final round and the SC row. Complete the SC row and get back. So I've completed to 5 the single crochet row, and this is how the lace looks like. This is a small repeat. It's a 2 multiple of 16 chains. So you can chain to the required length and make this beautiful lace for your projects. So thank you friends for viewing this video. Hope you liked it. Please do share your feedback. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please do subscribe, like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.